What's the meaning of chinos? Chinos. Chinos.
She knows. She knows. Chinos refers to a style of trousers that originated from military wear. They are typically made of cotton twill fabric and have a straight leg, with a slightly tapered ankle. The name chinos comes from the Spanish word for Chinese, as the fabric used to make these trousers was originally sourced from China in the 19th century. Today, chinos have become a popular casual and business casual option for both men and women, offering a versatile and comfortable alternative to jeans or dress pants.